Social media tips and tricks are everywhere. In fact, there's so many out there that it can be overwhelming to know which ones are effective when it comes to growing your business accounts. Today, I'm going to share 7 social media hacks that you can use to grow your accounts and grow your business fast. Hey everyone, it's Remy from HubSpot. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to click subscribe and click the notification bell for more content like this. Since last year, many businesses have had to go online and many have had to depend on social media as their main marketing source. I put together 7 hacks that are effective and will help you get the results that you're looking for. So let's begin. The first hack I want to talk about is creating a toolkit. So what does this mean? What does this even look like? So essentially, a toolkit is going to be a time saver when posting on social media because all of your content lives in the toolkit and all you have to do is plug and post. HubSpot has an amazing tool called the Social Media Content Calendar, and you can use this to plug in a month's worth of content. So that means your pictures, captions, thumbnails, campaigns, all the things can live in this calendar, and they'll be ready for you to use and post on a daily basis. This is a free tool that you can download, so I'll have it linked in the description box down below. Another great and free HubSpot resource is the Social Media Marketing course. This course is filled with golden nuggets of social media tips, tricks, and hacks that will teach you all there is to know about social media marketing and creating a strategy for business success. If you want to be a pro in this online game and get certified, then make sure you click the link to the course down below in the description box. We actually spoke with our friends over at Hootsuite, and here's what they had to say about this. If your social content strategy is 100% reactive, that's a recipe for burnout. Creating content pillars based on audience insight will set you up for long-term success, fill your calendar, and won't have you scrambling last minute trying to figure out what to post. Once you put in the work to curate engaging content, schedule posts, respond to comments in a personalized way, and stay curious about the new features on the platforms, you're setting yourself up for success to grow an authentic audience. Moving on, the next hack is batch shooting. Finding time every single day to shoot, edit, come up with copy is a lot, and that's why batch shooting is such a lifesaver. At the beginning of every month, pick a day to shoot at least 2 weeks worth of content, so that way you have multiple photos and videos to work with instead of scrambling to get the perfect shot every single day. Hack number 3, create content that people are searching for. It's true that there's an audience for everything in the online world, but when it comes to creating content for business growth, you have to give the people what they want to see based on your niche. If you don't know what's trending right now or what people are searching for, there's actually a website called Answer the Public that literally tells you. All you have to do is enter in a keyword, and then you'll see a chart filled with questions that people are searching for based on that keyword. This will make your life so much easier when it comes to keeping up with trends and answering relevant questions that people have. That way, you can focus on being creative and executing your strategy. Hack number 4, create equal amounts of video content as much as you do photo content. Since marketing is done a lot more now through social media, it's important to keep in mind the human element and relatability that people like to see from businesses. That's sometimes hard to communicate through still photos only. Remember before social media took over, you'd see TV commercials of big brands partnering with your favorite celebrities to promote their products. These were people that we all knew and loved and felt like we could trust that if they're using this product, then it must be great and we should use it too. Implement that same method in your social media strategy. By being relatable and creating that sense of trust, you're not only going to be able to turn followers into leads a lot easier, but you'll also be able to create a community on your social media platforms as well. That brings me to hack number 5. Don't be scared to partner with micro-influencers. These are going to be the influencers that have between 10,000 and 50,000 followers. Now, on social media, those numbers are considered micro. But for your business, if you can partner with an influencer that'll help turn those followers into leads, bingo. Micro-influencers are also great to partner with because they have stronger relationships and they've built more trust with their followers compared to larger influencers. The days of brands only looking at follower counts are long gone. Today, it's all about authenticity, engagement, and conversions. This is why you have to make sure you're searching for those key factors when choosing who you want to represent you and your brand. Hack number 6, figure out the best times to post based on your location and your niche. You can also check your analytics to see what times your followers are the most active online. For Instagram feed posts, research shows that right now the best time to post is between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Tuesdays. Braden Cohen from Hootsuite told us, it's best to post first thing in the morning because this is when people are catching up on their news feeds. Lunchtime is always great because it's when people tend to have the biggest gaps in their schedules, and just after working hours are effective too because people are checking out what they missed over the day. When it comes to Instagram stories, there's a lot of secret tips and tricks on how to get more views and engagement on them. One of the best engagement hacks I've heard of is using Instagram's story features like their polls or their stickers to increase your story views. Since Instagram wants more users to engage more on their app, using a feature like their polls gives you a higher chance of your profile being viewed by more of your followers. Pro tip, post an engaging poll every morning before you post any other content on your stories. Instagram will show your story to more followers, and if the first couple of viewers are highly engaged with the post, it'll show it to even more people. If you do this consistently on your brand account, Instagram will get used to high engagement on your stories and might move you toward the front of your followers' story lists. There's not much hard data behind this, but the creators that have used this method have claimed that it helped their views and engagement tremendously. If you don't know how to create polls on Instagram stories, then make sure to check out HubSpot's blog post that shows you how to step by step. I'll have that linked down below as well. I've also noticed that tagging your location on stories and your in-feed posts helps Instagram to target different audiences that are closer to you. Last but not least, hack number 7. Post relevant content that isn't yours. Now, this isn't something you'd be doing often, but if you see a popular meme or trend going around, take advantage of it and share it. This will not only help create more engagement with your followers, but it will also attract new followers as well. Just because a piece of content is popular doesn't mean that someone isn't seeing it for the first time through your page. Just remember to always give credit to the original creator. So there you have it, 7 social media marketing hacks that will help you grow your business a lot faster. If you have any extra hacks to share, then make sure to comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.